my two airsoft pistols here. Here we have a BB CO2 powered and spring airsoft. Start with this one. The safeties are right here, and just click it. Pretty simple. Got basic sights. Everything's basically for show on the sides. Not much to it. BB's loaded right here. Just pull that back. Let it go. The CO2 cartridges. You just untwist this on the bottom. You unclip this. You'll see that. Take the CO2 cartridge. Put it in there. Don't do anything to it. Clip this back on. Start tightening this. And you'll hear it release. And then you just tighten it till it's pretty tight. And you're good. Throw on safety. Here's fire, it sounds like. It's pretty loud. Alright. Okay, next one. So we have our spring powered airsoft. And these came with it in this mount. This is laser sight. Like that. You take them off. Really simple. And it's like that. This slides off. Mine's kind of broken, but flashlight on the bottom too. Alright, so here's the gun and sight. Okay, release is right here. Just take that out. Load the BBs. Put back in. Pretty simple. Nothing other it really does. Cock it. That's what it sounds like. Alright, let's go to the firing test. Test firing. Airsoft. Alright, so it's not really good, but it has a couple good dents right there. And that's about it. So let's do the other one now. Alright, test firing of the BB CO2.
Watch how I get on track. The young black paid man in the rap getting his snaps.
Alright, as you can see, there's entry holes and there's exit holes. Did pretty good damage, got a really good dent right there, a hole. Alright, and it just goes all the way through the can. Alright, thanks for watching.